All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:36 in the morning on the 14th of May, 2021, and this is my pre-market strategy session. So, um, I've got plug, and something wonky is going on with its earnings. It reported earnings, and then I don't know, did something about restatement of previously issued financial statements and so on. Well, it's catching a bid this morning, and so far, everything that has caught a bid in the past 2 weeks or 3 weeks of this earnings season in the pre-market, everything that's caught a bid in the pre-market has been getting a beat down. So I have levels on this one at $23.16 and $22.33. It's pretty low. And if I'm not going to place orders on this pre-market for the open. I want to see how it acts. If I get into this, I'm going to stagger shares. I'll put the bulk of the shares. I'll probably trade something like 400 shares on this, and I'll put 200 down here at 22.34. I'll probably divide this up into three segments, and then 200 here at the first segment. I'll put 100. At the second segment, I'll put 50, and at the third segment, I'll put 50, something like that. We'll see. Next up is FTCH. This one there's also something kind of wonky going on with earnings on this one. So I put levels on this one at 37.95 and 37.45. It's only a 50-cent difference. And I will probably, again, put more emphasis on 37.45 for a bounce rather than 37.95. If I play this, I'll probably put a few shares at 37.95 and then put more shares down at 37.45. Snow. Snow is catching a bid here. I've forgotten what the snow. Oh, this is all, yeah. So, this is all old news, and I don't know why it's catching a bid this morning. It might just be a technical bounce. So I think 190, I have two levels on it, but 191.63 is the only one I'm really interested in. And then on the broader market here, we've got the VIX pre-market here coming up. We're back into the gap. So this is the top of the gap here. Here's the bottom of the gap. And there's been a rather significant run-up in the VIX recently, well above where I thought it would meet resistance. It wound up meeting resistance at about 29. So it's coming back down. I was actually looking for a deeper correction. So what happens with the SPY today? What happens with the S&P? I'm not sure. This might be just another buy the dip scenario, or this could be the start of a real correction. I'd like to see a real correction. I'd like to see prices come down a bit, sort of clear out the chambers, and clean up and start over again with an extended rally. I kind of I don't know. For me, I'd like to see this pull back to at least 400 into this gap here. The SPY gapped up on April 1st to April 5th, and here's the gap. It came down really close to the top of the gap. It didn't get to the top of the gap on the 12th of May, a couple of days ago here. I'd like to see it come down into and test the bottom of the gap and then move away. At least. If not, about 380 is going to be about a 10% correction on the SPY. So I'm giving the SPY a few more days here. I mean, if it launches back up and continues on to new highs, then I'll play that too. But for right now, I'm just kind of sitting tight with trading the options contracts on the SPY. There's nothing that I see on the small cap scanner that looks attractive to me for trading. All right, everybody, that is my morning strategy session. Good luck out there today. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you at the recap. Out.